All right, so as promised, we are here today looking at the Carhartt WIP work in progress spring summer 2021 lookbook for the ladies. I like to cover both the lookbooks, but I like to split them up because I feel like we don't have enough interest or as much interest in the women's lookbooks, but I think it's really cool that they have a female exclusive clothing line or like styles that they put out. Oftentimes, I think a lot of the designs over on this side are a lot better than the men's, but that being said, I think this lookbook is a lot shorter than the men's one. Maybe they don't get as many items, but they get some hard pieces. Just a little recap from the men's one, kind of going into this, maybe what we might see. I myself have not actually taken like a full look at this, but the men's one was a little underwhelming. That's the other seasons were kind of better. There was some alright corduroy stuff going on, and then they also have this. I forget exactly what the color name was for this green, but it's like a darker forest green that I really liked. So maybe we'll see a lot of those tones over here on the women's collection lookbook. But that being said, we have what looks to be just a work jacket, and then I really like the color of this beanie actually. I think it's the watch beanie they usually call it. Yeah, the acrylic watch beanie in the Malaga Heather colorway. And they do, of course, have all of the prices underneath here. There's kind of interesting, I like Carhartt WIP flag. They've done this before, but this time they have it inside a peace sign. So kind of interesting. And if you guys aren't very familiar with Carhartt WIP, especially the differences between men's and women's pieces, you can see the Carhartt like logo or Carhartt patch is black and white, whereas the men's will always just have this kind of like regular one. So that's kind of one of the indicators for whether or not a piece is men or women. But I like this jacket, the Dusty Hamilton brown in the worn washed colorway, which it looks a lot different in the lookbook picture, but I don't know. I like it. I like the pockets that they got going on. It's pretty simple. It's a nice color. That being said, moving on, we get some overalls. I've always been a fan of like the overall bib look on men and women. I think it's a cool look. Carhartt has done some really cool ones in the past, especially the Brain Dead Carhartt WIP overalls were really cool. They had some branding on the straps and then some custom, I think just screen print, maybe it was embroidery along the overalls themselves. But as far as this goes, I'm not crazy about the like raw denim ones. Maybe if it was just like a black denim, I'd like it a little bit more. And then everything else we got going on this outfit is just the like Carhartt WIP chase stuff. So you get the chase beanie and then the chase hooded sweatshirt, which they've been around for 1,000 years or whatever since the beginning of time. And the Ash Heather colorway probably already existed, probably nothing new. This Dusty Hamilton brown though might be one of the like newer things we have. What is this? Malaga? I'm probably butchering the pronunciation for that, but I do like that. It reminds me of their Dusty Fuchsia, I think it was, that they had a season or two ago. It's a nice color for sure. And then we have the Pierce pant, which is kind of like a work pant. You get the carpenter's loop on the side. It's a nice pant, nice outfit, very simple, elegant. Moving on, kind of interesting. We get a print shirt and then also a print short. Kind of an interesting outfit. Not really something you would expect from Carhartt WIP, I guess. And they actually do the little like tank tops too. I don't think I've seen Carhartt WIP do that before. As far as the actual pattern on the printed pieces, I don't really know all of what's going on. We got what appears to be like a face and then some shoulders, maybe like a bust of somebody. And then I don't know if this is supposed to be like a butterfly, 4-leaf clover. We get the Carhartt C here, but a lot of the other stuff is just very abstract. I think there's definitely better printed stuff. The printed shirt silhouette is cool. I like that. But for the price, these are pretty taxing. $88 you can see here. Moving on to the next outfit. This is kind of cool, kind of gone fishing vibes, if you will. the women's Hearst vest, and I'm not sure if the men's vest was called the Hearst vest, but the men's vest was kind of strange. It had a whole bunch of pockets, like up on the shoulder, like by the shoulders, the upper chest, I guess. And I actually like this one. This looks cool. I can get down with this. And usually I'm not a huge fan of vests. Really, the only vests that I really like are the just OG Carhartt ones with kind of that elastic collar on the top. I think those are cool. The Hearst skirt, which, just nothing to say there. Nothing really to say about the bucket hat either. It's just black with the logo. And then we have a striped t-shirt, pretty chill, neck pouch. Moving on, we get some pinstriped overalls, and these are kind of cool. Pricey though, for sure, $198. You can catch some of this stuff on sale though, depending on how hyped up it is, and things like that. As you can see up on the top, there's currently a sale going on. I think I forgot to mention that, but they have a lot of good stuff discounted, up to 50% off, so you can get pieces for a pretty good price. But yeah, I like these overalls a lot more than the raw denim colorway that we saw before, but still, I don't know, I don't know, these are all right, but I don't know, could be a little bit different. And then on the right, we have a very white outfit with contrast stitching on the pants. You guys know me, I'm not crazy about contrast stitching, so it's a pass. And then I think this is just the same jacket we saw before in that first picture, but a different colorway, just pure white. Moving forward, sorry if you guys can hear somebody like racing around in the background. Another very basic outfit. We've seen this type of sweatshirt before, just a new colorway. I'm not crazy about it. I've talked about how I dislike the color like baby blue before, but this one has a little bit more maybe like aqua vibes, so I could get down with something like this, but yeah, still a pass. And then the pants are, I don't know, they're all right. I'm not crazy about this kind of like cut for pants. And then this is kind of cool. I like this pinstriped jacket that they have over on the right. This is a good outfit. I like what they got going on here. A pretty normal script sweatshirt, except for the letters. You can't even see it on the model. The letters that make up Carhartt are multicolor. And then the women's trade shirt, I do like this. I like this like raw denim with the pinstriping more than I like the just like white one. So this is a good match. I'm sure they'll probably have some overalls in this colorway too, but just some plain pants, acrylic watch hat. I'm not crazy about the heather colorways. I'd rather have just like a solid one, so it's a pass for me. Moving on, we have the women's Michigan jacket, of course, a Carhartt classic, coming in the desert combi camo / black, and it is worn canvas. So I think the men had pretty much the same exact jacket. It's cool. I like this camo. If you look closely, there's like little twigs and brush sticking out in the camo as well. It's not just some all over like digi camo or something lazy like that. Everything else I'm not really feeling. This shrimp colorway is kind of funny. It's an alright t-shirt, but pretty basic stuff. So this is the green I was talking about. They call it Deep Lagoon, which every season Carhartt WIP has a couple different colorways that I really dig, and this Deep Lagoon is a good one. And then also the limoncello or whatever they have over on the right, the men had a striped t-shirt for that, which was really cool. But yeah, a lot of the other stuff not really digging, but these pants are very, very cool. I like those a lot. Moving forward, we have the last row of Lookbook stuff. A very basic outfit. I do not care for this outfit at all. It's got some like dad jeans on and some sandals. I'm not digging it. Yeah, this is all a pass for me. Middle one though, we have a boiler suit, I guess they're calling it. I really like this Province colorway that they got. This purple, that's really cool. I wonder if they have anything on the back for the boiler suit. I've always been a fan of these. I think these suits look really cool. You get that like alien aesthetic, or like you belong on a racetrack pit crew or something. I've always been a fan of these, and I think that's cool. But if you saw the price, $328, it's expensive. We also have the Aster t-shirt. which or Aster Color t-shirt, which is, you know, once again kind of this purple colorway. Carhartt Work in Progress. It says graphic print, but this almost looks like it's, oh, I guess it is graphic. I was gonna say almost looks like it's embroidered. It would have been cool to embroider it. That gold would look really nice, kind of like pop with embroidery, but kind of a cool shirt, good outfit. And then lastly, we have some more sandals and then some sweats. Not crazy about anything other than this jacket, the Sonora jacket in the black worn washed colorway. I think that's looking good. And that wraps up this Carhartt WIP lookbook for the spring summer 2021 as far as the ladies go. And I think it's all right. I think it's about, you know, on par with the men's. This one might have been a little bit worse than the men's, maybe. I think this season in general is kind of lacking compared to the last 2, maybe 3 Carhartt WIP seasons. I forget which ones. I think that 3 seasons ago was really good. 2 was all right, and then last season had some good stuff, if I'm remembering correctly. But regardless, there's some all right stuff in here, and that's all I got. What do you guys think about this season? What are you excited for? What will you be copying? As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.